To maximize your Optus 5G home broadband performance, strategic modem placement is crucial. Start by positioning the modem near a window or external wall that faces the nearest Optus 5G cell tower. You can use the Optus Coverage Map app to identify the tower location. Avoid obstructions like metal, thick walls, and dense foliage, as these can significantly weaken the 5G signal, especially at higher frequencies. Ideally, place the modem 1 to 2 meters off the ground to minimize ground-level interference. In urban environments, keep it away from microwaves and cordless phones that operate on similar frequencies. Signal strength is indicated by bars on your modem or in the Optus app. 5 bars represent excellent signal strength, enabling speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. 3 to 4 bars indicate moderate strength, supporting speeds of 100 to 500 megabit per second. If you see fewer than 3 bars, consider relocating the modem or using a signal booster. Use the Optus app or the modem's built-in diagnostics to monitor SNR, signal-to-noise ratio, and latency for a more accurate assessment. Remember that signal bars are qualitative, so pair them with speed tests using tools like Ookla Speed Test for quantitative measurements. For the fastest and most stable connection, use an Ethernet cable to directly connect your devices to the Optus 5G modem via its gigabit Ethernet ports. Use Cat6 or higher cables to avoid performance bottlenecks. Ensure that DHCP is enabled on the modem for automatic IP address assignment. You can access the modem's web interface, typically at 192.168.1, to set port priorities or create VLANs for specific applications like gaming or streaming. Optus modems support dual-band or tri-band Wi-Fi. After powering on the modem, connect to the Wi-Fi network using the SSID Optus XXX and the provided password. Customize your Wi-Fi settings through the Optus app. You can rename networks, enable guest Wi-Fi, or set parental controls. To avoid interference, select the optimal channel. Auto mode often works well, but manual tuning to a specific channel, such as channel 36 on the 5 GHz band, can improve performance. Enable WPA3 for enhanced security and disable WPS. For extended coverage, consider pairing your modem with Optus Whole Home Wi-Fi extenders. Band steering automatically assigns devices to the best band based on their needs, using 5 GHz for HD streaming.